Welcome to the Consumer Tech Update podcast, where in just 1 minute, you'll hear facts, opinion, and the latest tech information underneath the surface about real topics you care about.
I lost my phone the other night, so I said, "Hey Siri, turn on the flashlight." And bam, I followed the LED light and found my phone in seconds. Kim Komando with your Wednesday Consumer Tech Update. Get my other free podcasts with extended interviews and tech news with Komando on Demand, and also Tech News Today and Tech News This Week. Available on Apple and Google Podcasts or wherever you get your podcasts. Here's another Siri trick. Let's say you don't remember where you parked your car. When your iPhone disconnects from your car's Bluetooth, Siri drops a pin. So ask Siri, "Where did I park my car?" It'll open Maps and show you the location. Or how about we split the bill at lunch and you owe me $10? If you've set up Apple Pay, say, "Hey Siri, send $10 to Kim." Done. Okay, one more. When you want to remember something, fire up Siri and say, "Remind me of this." Siri will add whatever you're looking at, email, text, websites, to reminders with a link that will send you straight back to the content. Nice. I'm Kim Komando.